Hello, it is very nice to see you. My name is Lee, the medical assistant, and I'm just going to be gathering a history of what brought you in today. So what brings you into the clinic? Okay. So you've noticed kind of like a brown, yellowish discharge. Okay. Oh, you don't remember if you took your tampon out? Or are you able to feel a string or see anything? You're not sure? That's totally okay. Oh no, nothing to be ashamed about. You'd be surprised how often people come in for retained tampons, you know? Not that we know for sure, but yes, yeah, that's no problem. All right. Are you on your period now? It was last week. Okay. Are you noticing any odor or itch? An odor, okay. Any swelling, burning with urination? Not quite. Okay. Any new partners since we last saw you? No. So you had your period, you finished last week. You started getting this discharge when? A few days ago, okay. And you just don't remember if you took out your tampon. Gotcha. All right. As far as medical history, no new changes, right? Okay, and you're getting managed for that? All right. And then as far as surgeries go, nothing new there. Any smoking? Okay. And then still social drinker? Okay. No new family history of gynecological cancers like breast, ovarian, or uterine, right? Let me get some vital signs on you, and then we'll kind of take it from there. No, seriously, no reason to ever feel ashamed about this. I mean, it happens to the best of us. Right, and sometimes those tampons honestly can flip around, make it really hard for us to even see it or feel it, so I totally get it. It's no problem. All right, temperature check first. COVID does still exist. It's crazy. I know. That's what I always say as well. All right. If you wouldn't mind lifting your tongue. Perfect. Okay, temperature is normal, which is amazing, very good. So no fevers, chills, nothing like that, right? Good. All right, let's get your blood pressure real quick. All right, is this arm okay? Listen, if you can uncross your legs. Thank you. Blood pressure is good, so off to a good start. Let me just pack this up here. How tall are you again? Okay. here real quick. Okay, good. All right, so what I'm gonna have you do is we'll probably, of course, want to do a pelvic exam with the speculum. Is that okay with you? Awesome. So I'm going to give you some privacy. I'll have you get undressed waist down. I'm going to leave this drape for you on the table, and then you'll cover yourself with this, and then we'll take a look for you. Hello. It is very nice to see you. Lee, the medical assistant, was kind of explaining to me everything that was going on. No, trust me, it is absolutely nothing to worry about. So if you don't mind, I'd like to take a look for you. Just make sure everything, looks okay. Oh yeah, absolutely. So today, we'll essentially just be doing a pelvic exam. And so I'll be using a speculum, of course, a small one. And because we're not doing any particular testing, I'll be sure to put a lot of lubricant on there. So quick reminder, this is the speculum we'll be using. We're going to insert it in the vaginal opening, open it up, and try and look to see if we see any tampon that's back there, okay? Trust me, no need to be embarrassed whatsoever. And then I have some swabs here to kind of clean up some of the discharge. And then you are going to see this instrument here. It's like a forceps, and that's what I'm going to use to grab the tampon. This is not going to be touching anywhere in the vagina at all, so it should cause you absolutely no discomfort. Yes, yep, for sure. Okay, so what we're going to do then is let me put some gloves on, kind of get you situated here. Do you have any questions at all or any concerns? You're doing okay? Awesome. Awesome. All right, let's get this going for you. All right, if you wouldn't mind scooting a little bit more down for me. Very good there. Let me get this light swab here. All right. Oh yeah, new lights, a lot more power. All right, very good. I'm going to start just by looking on the outside. Is that okay? Good. I'm gonna feel my hands here. Not having itchiness or irritation on the outside, right? Good. Alrighty. Very good. Next, we're going to insert the speculum. I'm going to take some lubricant here, and we're just going to apply it all over this. Alright, you're going to feel my hands here, speculum here. Very good. Probably feel that colder lubricant. Taking a look in, kind of looking up and down here. Oh, and I do see it. Yep, that's definitely the cause for the discharge you've been having. No, that's totally okay. We will get that taken care of for you. I'm going to open up this instrument here. You wanted to see it again? Yep. This is what we call a ring forceps, and this is what we use for like IUD removals to grip on the string, but we can also use it to, grab any foreign objects in the vagina as well. Kind of gives us the lengths if they're too far for us to just grab with our hand. No, yeah, it's a great question. All right, like I said, this should not be painful for you at all. This is solely being used just to grip the tampon. Oh yeah, absolutely. And if you have any more questions, just let me know. It's no problem. All right, so going to stick this in here. You are doing great. Gripping onto, in your defense, the tampon strings were like way on the other side, so it'd be really hard for you to grab it. Gonna grip. All right. We are now attached, and then you're gonna feel probably some pressure here, okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's out. Yes, yeah. It is honestly so good you came in. Always trust your gut for sure, but it is completely out. I'm gonna place this, just kind of wrap it in a paper towel here. Oh yeah, yes. It's out. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me just swab you a bit here just to clean out some of the discharge. You did awesome. Are you feeling okay? Good. Okay. All right. Very good. I just want to take some paper towels just to wipe you off here after I remove the speculum. So this is coming out now, okay? Alright, speculum is out. And then we're just going to feel some paper towel here. I'm just going to wipe the area. Oh, no problem. Alright, very good. I'm going to cover you up here. You're feeling okay? Yep, yeah, there's absolutely nothing left in there, so you have nothing to worry about from that end. Do you have any questions at all? Yeah. You, of course, let me know if that discharge persists for whatever reason. I'll be sure to take a look for you. Just make sure, all is well, all looks good. And then you should be all set otherwise, though. If any hesitation or if you ever feel like you may have forgotten one in again, please, you come in at any point and we'll be more than happy to take care of it for you. Yes, yeah, of course, absolutely. It was my pleasure seeing you. If you have any questions or any concerns regarding anything else, please be sure to come right back in, okay? Oh yeah, absolutely. My pleasure. I'm gonna step out and give you some privacy, but I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much. See ya.